So yeah, guys, this is a very quick video about how to basically make the mooncakes, as I promised. So you see right here, I have a very lovely little mooncake over here. Of course, I made this all by myself. The mooncake, so there's basically three main ingredients you can add in for the mooncake. You can basically add in for the following ingredients. You add in like some lye water, add in some honey to substitute the lye water. You also could have different types of baking soda, flour, and then some lotus and black sesame paste, which is pretty awesome. And I'll post the general recipe in the descriptions for this video. So now to analyze this sweet little mooncake. So as you can see, I made a very nice mold pattern here with this different flower patterns. You have like different types of mold. You have like a big mold and small mold. All I have to do is just basically put the mold in the presser and then press down to make this mooncake shape. You bake at 350 degrees in terms of Fahrenheit, and you basically bake for like, I don't know, 12 minutes. So let's see what's inside this mooncake. As you can see, it's very nice yarrow or lotus, which is very delicious. So I'm gonna take a little piece right now and eat one. Quite good. Quite good mooncake indeed. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed your Dongzhoujie and your amazing Mid-Autumn Festival. I'll be out for vacation until October. So see you guys then, and continue staying safe during this time. Thank you very much.